In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear ABS wheel speed sensor on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your rear differential. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your rear differential. Up along the top of that is where we're going to find our ABS wheel speed sensor. Let's start by disconnecting our electrical wiring harness. It has a locking tab along the driver's side. Go ahead and squeeze that in and pull this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion along each side, of course. We'll set that wiring harness aside. Now we'll start removing the sensor. Up along the top of the sensor, you're going to find that you have a 10mm headed mounting bolt. We'll remove that. There's that bolt. Now continuing on, it's always a good idea to use some penetrant in this area. We want to let it do its job, soak on in there. Once it is in there, we're going to continue on with gently twisting and trying to remove this from the differential. It's important not to break the sensor off inside of the rear differential. To remove this, I'm using a metal trim tool as a prying device. You can use pretty much anything that you have that can easily make its way underneath this area. I'm going to tap it in and then we'll gently pry. Once again, we're being extremely careful not to break anything. There we are. There it is, friend. Once you have the sensor out of there, the next thing we'll do is use a clean rag, and we're going to attempt to clean as much of this area as possible without getting any debris inside of the differential. This is extremely important. Make sure you have a flat level surface and the port is clean as it should be. Now we can prepare to install our brand new wheel speed sensor. You'll find that you have a sealing O-ring. It's a good idea to lubricate that with some grease, or you could use some gear oil if necessary. That should help it slide into place fairly easily. We'll twist it, make sure it's completely bottomed out against the differential housing. Once you do have that in place, it's time to continue on with our 10mm headed mounting bolt. We'll start this in and bottom it out. The torque for this will be 11 foot-pounds. Now it's time for our electrical connector. We have the locking tab facing towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click. Once you have it in there, just give it a slight tug, confirming it's secured in place. Okay friend, we finished the installation. The next thing you want to do is make your way out from under the vehicle. You're going to take your vehicle for a road test and make sure that it functions as it should. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.